Don't be afraid to reach out directly. Are you afraid because of rejection? Please don't. There are willing people ready to lend an ear and offer their support. So, consider reaching out directly for mentorship. You see, sometimes all you need is a direct request. This can lead to valuable mentorship relationships. Do this. Identify women whose careers inspire you, then reach out with a thoughtful message seeking guidance or mentorship. Take Nancy, for example. She owns a professional home cleaning business, and she needed some guidance to make sure that she was on track. Now, even though she was a bit scared, Nancy reached out directly to me for mentorship. In her message, she expressed her passion for providing top-notch cleaning services, and she bravely asked for recommendations. So to her delight, I agreed, and our sessions gave her the push that she needed. Yes, this simple act can lead to valuable connections and opportunities that can help scale your business. Why not give it a try, right? You never know where it might lead.